I think I personally dealt with the scope and uncertainty of the overall project by making sure that I met with the sponsor as much as I could to continually ask him to get a clearer understanding of the requirements for the project and what his vision was. From the very start, we had a idea of what a minimum viable product would be, and we kind of set a goal for that as like our goal to reach. It's like kind of how we kept the scope and from creeping. I think the most valuable experience I had from this was the interaction with the sponsor for sure. It's really, I think, the first moment that we get to do the requirements gathering that we learn about in our classes. The whole portion of keeping in touch with the sponsor to get a better idea of what they want and keep them involved in the process. We don't get to really practice that up until this point. So I think that's was definitely the most valuable experience from this. I don't know if my view on software engineering has changed. Um, I think that this has deepened my understanding of like some of the challenges that we face because in our classes it talks about um, how like the more programmers on a project, the more likely it is to fail. We talked about how important you know getting requirements, proper requirements from the sponsor, and uh, how dangerous creep scope could be. And I think this is the first chance that we really get to see it for ourselves, and especially working with a group with people with different locations, we have communication problems, and it really shows how things can kind of get out of hand. I think that's what I guess. I don't know if it's a change in my view of software engineering, but I think it's a deeper understanding. Thank you.